7 Champaka?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, I'd like to ask everyone to stand up. And please, you lady, come in front to start our daily prayer.
Let's bow our head and put ourselves in the presence of the Lord.
Amen. Okay, thank you. What is your name, ma'am?
Narfati po.
Okay, thank you, Miss Narfati, for leading this morning prayer. Please all sit down. And arrange your chairs, please. No squawking, no squeaking of rocking chairs. So, again, good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am. Bernice.
So, since this is our first meeting, please accept my greetings. So, my name is Miss Bernice Jusay, and I am your Mathematics 7 teacher. We will meet every Tuesday and Thursday at 9 a.m. in the morning to 10 a.m. Please write that in your first page of your notebook. Is that all clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If I say clear in and out, please do reply all clear. So, I'll check your attendance muna. Please take a seat in the chair marked with your name on it. It is arranged alphabetically by your last name, so yung A is on the front seaters. So let's move, guys. Please sit here, ma'am. And please wait. Ma'am Shannon. So please say the word present if you are around. If there are nearsighted or farsighted, please tell me so we can adjust. So none? None. Okay. So let's proceed. Nerfati.
Ma'am. Present.
Faira Pangkalan.
Ma'am, present.
Shanalinari.
Present, ma'am.
Now I'm done checking your attendance and it seems 2 students are not around. Marites and Marilu. Yes? Okay. Before we get serious about our topic and discuss our classroom rules, let's do a little warm-up to get our bodies and mind warmed up. Let's play hot seat, or in Filipino, Pinoy Henyo.
Yay!
You know this game, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to divide you into groups, with the right side for the group 1 and with the left side for the group 2. Now, please work together with your group 2 as quickly as possible. So, now let's talk about the mechanics. I'm going to show you some vocabulary words only related to mathematics or branch in mathematics. And you're going to pick your best guessing player. And the rest will only say hindi, pwede, or oo. You are given 1 minute to guess each group. So, Group 1 and Group 2 guessing players, please play rock, paper, scissors. Whoever loses will be the first to play the game. Come in front, ma'am. So, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. So, Ma'am Shanali is Ulu. So, the winner is Miss Nofrati. So, she is the first to play. So, I'm gonna get the fun. Please sit, ma'am. We're here. So, the first word is watch. Okay. I'm gonna place the timer for 1 minute. Okay, Ma'am Nerfati, in 1, 2, 3, and go.
Tao.
Hindi.
Bagay.
Hindi.
Hayop.
Hindi.
Pangalan.
Pwede.
Mathematics na. Relate siya sa numbers.
Oo.
First letter A.
No.
B.
Hindi.
C. S.
Oh.
Sa sa sign.
No. Hindi.
Set.
Oh, set.
Set union. Two words.
Oo. Word.
Ilang letters? Wait. So, set theory.
Oh. Okay. Very good. Thank you, Ma'am Nerfati. Can you please sit? So, again, next for the group 2, please come in front. No, not fine. It's fine.
Ikaw na.
So, Faira, here is your word. So, I'm placing the timer for 1 minute. So, Faira, 1, 2, 3, and go.
Addition.
Pwede.
Subtraction.
Pwede.
Division.
Pwede.
Multiplication.
Pwede.
Integers.
Pwede.
Arithmetic.
Oh. Okay. Very good, Faira. You guessed the word. So, this activity is related to our topic for today. So, let's now get serious and let's start our classroom rule. If you have rules at the house, we have rules in the classroom. So, first is raise your right hand if you want to respond. The next is always keep your phone, don't put it present. So, unless if you need it on an activity. So, the 3 is respect one another. Always. So, what will you do to these rules?
Follow these rules, Mom.
Okay, so right, you have to obey and to follow these rules. Thank you. And now everything is in order. We may now proceed to our discussion. Could someone share their grade 6 lessons? As this new path of learning, this may slightly be difficult to us. So, anyone? Ma'am Faira?
Adding simple fractions and mixed numbers, Mom, without regrouping. Subtracting simple fractions and mixed numbers without regrouping. Multiplying simple fractions and mixed numbers.
All right. Thank you, Ma'am Pangkalan. There are about decimals and mixed decimals to multiply. But I know you all remember your previous lessons since you are grade 6. So have you ever heard about the pause test?
Yes.
Okay. This is the pause test that I will be giving you today. We'll do it before the topic to start. So I'm giving you copy and I will give you 8 minutes to answer because it has 18 items, okay? Please pass. I am sticky for the time, so I always have my timer, which is my new phone. So my timer is set on 3 minutes. Please read the instruction carefully and start. Pause mo na lang. Because the time is running out, I won't be collecting your papers na muna. So, you will wait until the end of lesson to keep track of what you have know or what you have learned today. May we proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's do something different today. Something that will give you a new knowledge of a new information to add into your knowledge. Okay, class. Please be quiet and take your seats properly. There's nothing to get nervous or excited about because this is very example activity to answer. So these are some the activities.
Thank you, Mom.
So as you notice, there are some pictures there, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So I'm giving you this handout, you to observe and to answer the following questions. What can you observe about the picture? Yes?
Mom, there is some flowers.
Yes, there are some flowers. Yes, all of your observations is correct. Of course, you have 20/20 eyesight. So don't write anything in it yet. I didn't say to write anything in the paper. So
Yes.
let's next is to answer a few word questions down below so that I have showed you before. So let's start. These are the instructions. If the objects below have just been grouped and labeled based on their characteristics, fill in the details or group them by their numbers on the answer sheet I gave you. Example, we have their flowers, right?
Yes.
So the set of flowers. What number are the flowers?
1, 5, and 7, ma'am.
1, 5, and 7. So it will be like this. It will be expressed like this on your handouts. So you may now start. I'll be giving you 5 minutes to answer. Okay, all clear in and out?
Yes, Mom.
Clear.
The timer starts now. Okay, are you done? Finish or
Yes.
finish?
Yes,
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is it that a bit too hard, difficult, or easy?
It is super easy in grouping them, but answering the question is quite difficult, ma'am.
Okay. See, you can only answer the activity within 2 minutes. But since there are questions, this is why I added the time. Please pick a partner, then brainstorm, share, think, pair, then what about your ideas to each other and make a sentence about the activity. So now we are doing think, pair, and share. You only need to think with your partner, pair with your ideas with your partner, and share what ideas you and your partner have. All clear in and out?
All clear.
I am giving you another 1 minute to think, pair, and share with your partner.
Yes, Mom.
Okay, start brainstorming. Okay, I have some flashcards here. I put here your name and there are small boxes for you to put, for me to put your points and your scores in tests, in quizzes. So this is my mini record for me. So, okay. Maria. No, it's Maria. Nerfati.
Yes, Mom.
Yes. What did your partner think about that activity?
We have come up to idea that this activity has a connection to our topic today, which is Grouping?
Yes. Thank you. Give them 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. Next. Shanali.
I have read some books about this and it showcases that our topic for today is sets.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you. Give them 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. So next is Faira.
To sum it up all, we are agreeing to what the two partners just said earlier about groupings and sets, ma'am.
Oh, you are so clever. Very good. Thank you so much. Give them 3 claps too. 1, 2, 3. So please settle down, arrange your chairs, and listen. Can we now proceed?
Yes.
I need your entire attention and your ears to listen. Thank you, class. Are you ready? Let's proceed.
Of course, ma'am.
What comes into your mind when you hear sets? Nerfati.
It is a group of things.
Okay. Ma'am Shanali.
A bundle of objects.
Miss Faira.
A group of living and non-living things, ma'am.
Okay, nice. Nerfati, Shanali, and Faira. Okay, since this is our first time to see each other, so I don't even know your name, I will call you by randomly picking my flashcards. Anyone? Do you have another opinion about sets?
None so far, ma'am.
Again, please raise your right hand if you want to answer. Class, our lesson for today is all about mathematics set. Let's now define sets. So our topic for today, what's the topic? Sets is our first topic. Then we have other subtopics. The subsets and universal sets, null sets and cardinality of sets, union and intersection of sets, the difference of two sets. So we are now tackling the definition. Sets. The groups are referred to as sets. Set can be thought of as grouping of objects. So, did you understand what set means?
Yes.
So again, what is a set?
A group.
A group.
A group. Okay, good. Examples are a set of mountains, a set of books, and a set of buildings. Again, what is this?
A set of mountains, a set of books, and a set of buildings.
Okay, these are examples of a set. Can someone give me another example except that what I posted here?
A set of flowers, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Another.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Nerfati. A set of chairs, ma'am.
Thank you. Yes, Miss Shanali.
A set of tables, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Yes, it is a group of such things. A set is again a collection for different types of objects. And collectively, itself is called an object. So, ito minimin natin is object na siya. So, next is, what is the keyword for set?
Group. Collection, ma'am.
Tama?
Objects.
Okay, thank you. So, okay, who can give me one word about well-defined set? Miss Faira.
In my own opinion, ma'am, I think it is about grouping some of the known objects.
Okay. So, the well-defined are okay. Miss Norfati, what is your definition to the well-defined sets?
Well-defined sets.
Yes.
In mathematics, set is a well-defined group or collection of objects that share common characteristics. The objects contains the set are called the elements.
So we can call this now elements or objects. But in mathematics, we call it elements talaga. Okay. So, a set can be named using capital letters. Instead of this, we will use A equals to 1, 5, then 7. It means it represents the set of flowers. So the set of flowers, instead of the full name, we can use the capital letters only. So we can use capital letters when we are representing a set. In the first activity, I showed you is like this. The set of flowers. Then now we can minimize it to make a full set using capital letters.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if a set contains many elements, we often use 3 dots. So if I told you the set of all even numbers, can you identify even numbers?
Yes. 2, 4, 6.
So we can say that E is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8. Diba to the infinity talaga siya?
Yes.
So we can use now comma then 3 dots. Ganun. If the elements are more than 10, we can use now the ellipsis. This is called the ellipsis. Again, what is this?
That is elements.
No, this is called the braces.
Braces.
Braces, and this is called the
Elements.
elements. This is called the
Ellipsis.
okay. Thank you. So, all clear in and out?
Yeah, all clear.
Okay. Here are some examples. So, these are more examples. So, the set of primary colors. What are primary colors? Red, yellow, and blue. So, we can now denote this. C is equals to the set of red, yellow, and blue. So, next is the set of all odd numbers. Since it's to the infinity, madami siyang elements. So, E is equals to the set of 1, 3, 5, and to the infinity. So, the set of all multiples of 5, madami din. So, infinity din siya. So, M is equals to 5, 10, 15 to the infinity. The set of letter in the word arrange. Why do you think it's 1 lang? It's like that lang. Yes? Because there are no repetitives in sets. So we can only use those letters lang. Ito A, R, since may A na, since may R na din, so A, R, dito na, then N,
G.
G, then E. So no repetitives pag sa set. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So thank you. How about not well-defined sets? Do you have an idea? No idea? Okay. I will give you some examples and explain it to me. Why is it not well-defined sets? Okay? So, some examples are the set of famous dancers, the set of punctual students in your class, the set of honest people. Do you think that you can put famous dancers in a set lang? Because the sets given examples are not well defined.
Yes.
Since
There are
people will have different point
Yes.
of views on famous dancers.
Yes.
hindi natin alam na yung famous dancers ba, or sa pop ba, or sa cha-cha ba, or sa
There are
mga
different
ski ba?
genre in dancing.
Yes, there are many genres in dancing. Do you know ba that your classmates are punctual?
No.
Do you know ba that your classmates or the people are runners?
No.
Okay. So that is not well defined. Hindi siya klaro talaga na define talaga siya, na set talaga siya na doon talaga siya grupo.
Yes.
So, what is set again?
Group of objects, ma'am.
What is well defined set? Again class, what is set?
A group of objects
What is well defined set?
that it is that share common characteristics.
Okay. Lastly, what is not well defined set?
That share
Doesn't share the same characteristics.
Okay. Tama. So, simply, well defined set shares common characteristics, and not well defined does not share the common characteristics. See? Easy to understand, right? That's just the first topic. All clear in and out?
All
All
clear.
Okay, now you understand what is set. Let's proceed to the next topic. Our next topic is about universal set. Universal set, subsets, and null sets, and cardinality of sets. In our first topic, we have learned of how to illustrate sets. Now you will learn about this. Let's try this. Please get your activity notebook for now. It can be your lecture notebook because it is our first meeting. No, anything will do. Please do answer this. Okay, start now. Okay, finish or unfinish. Raise your pens. Please stop and we will proceed to the topic. Just observe if your answer are correct or wrong. I'll explain along the way of our discussion. First of all, let's tackle about the universal sets. The universal set U is the set that contains all objects under consideration. Contains all objects, okay? I will give you some example. Please listen. The first example is set U contains the set of whole numbers up to 10. So this will be denoted into a set. So it is expressed in this way. So if we put this in a Venn diagram, we will draw two circles. We will put the U to represent the universal set. Okay. So we will put all the elements in this set. So let's put A, B. So we can put 1 here, we can put 2 here, we can put inside here 3, we can put 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If we tackle about universal set, it doesn't mean nasa isang lugar lang yung elements. It will be scattered all over the universal set. It will be outside, it will be inside, or in the middle. Okay? So, if universal set, if we have this Venn diagram, you will get all the elements here inside the box or rectangle, then put it on a one set. Okay? So, another example so you can truly manifest what is universal set. Set U contains
All of letters of the English.
What Another example, so you can truly manifest what is universal set is set U contains of all letters of the English alphabet. Alphabet. So who can answer? Ma'am Narfati? Okay, thank you, Ma'am Narfati. That is very good. See, class, it's easy, but
Braces.
the braces.
Ah,
It's not parentheses.
I forgot the braces, ma'am. Sorry.
So it will be like that. It will be expressed like that, not parentheses. Again, keyword for universal set contains all objects in a one set. Again, keyword for universal set is
Contains all objects in one set.
so. Next, we will tackle about subsets. So, what are subsets? Subsets are given any two sets A and B, is if every element in A is also an element of B. Then A is a subset of B. The symbol will be like this. U, paside na U, then may line sa baba. Is read A is a subset of B. So example R is equals to 1 the set of 1 and 2. The possible subsets of R are the first is the two elements. First is the two elements, then separate the one element, then 0 elements. You just put it only on the table. Subsets are given two sets A and B. So there are some examples. There are some examples. Yan na, 1 and 2. The possible subsets are that. So as you can see, there are only two elements, so we will put that on our table. First column is for the whole element. Then for that second column is for the separation. Then the last column is for the 0 element, which is the null set or walang element. Do you want another one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So let's try this. O is equals to red, yellow, blue. Do you think how many columns we have? Class, how many columns do we have?
3.
We have 3. We have 4 because always there are 0 elements here on the side. So we have 4 columns. Then 4 rows. So for the first column, we will put it the 3 elements. So we put 3 elements. the second is 2. Two elements, 1 element, and then 0 elements. So for the 3 elements, you just put all the elements in one place. For the next 2 elements, you just pair with red to yellow, yellow to blue, or red blue. So we can put that on one way. So one element is just put separately the elements into one. So red, blue, yellow. Simply for 0 elements, you just put the brace or the null set sign. The null set sign is like this. Okay. So class, it always depends if how many are the elements are in set. So do you want to try, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Here is to here is what to answer in the board. S equals to 3, 6, 9, 12. So I'm gonna draw for you the table. Okay. Miss Shanali? For the third row, Miss Manzanito. For the third row. Okay, thank you. And for the last, it will be 6, 9, 6, 12. So let's give our hands some figures. 1, 2, 3. The keyword for subset is every element of A is also element of B. Did you get it, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's now proceed to our third topic, third subtopic. Null set. Null set means a set with no element. It can be called empty set or null set. Ito na yan. The symbol for empty set is braces na walang laman sa middle or 0 na may slash. Okay. This would look like when it is in Venn diagram. A whole circle, then another circle here. Another circle. So, in a universal set, these two circles will not collide because they have no common characteristics. This is simple. So I will just give you an example. Set M is the set of cars with 60 doors. Name one if you have car that has 60 doors. Do wala. So set B is the set of flying castles. May flying castles ba?
Wala.
So set I is a set of months with 35 days. May 35 days ba?
Wala.
Set E is the set of crying trees. Do we have that here? So, again, what is null set?
Null set is a set with no element.
A set with no element. Simple, just simple. Give me example of a null set. A set of what?
A set of a Pegasus.
Okay, that's good. A set of Pegasus because Pegasus doesn't exist. So, let's proceed to cardinality of sets. The cardinal number of set A denoted by N, brace lang po yan, pan po siya ha, parenthesis. N of A is the number of elements in set A, thus in A is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7. It means to get the cardinality of this set, just count all the elements inside of a set. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Because set A contains only 4 elements. Based on our example, just count. So example 1, set D is the set of vowels in English alphabet. So ano yung vowels ng English alphabet? A, E, O, U. So we have A, E, I, O, U. So we have 5. So your answer will be like this. And parenthesis, B, depends on you ha, yung capital letter. Tapos 5. That will be your answer. So set R is the set of letters in the word difficulty. So we have, again, no repetitive answer. So D, I, F, C, U, L, T, Y. So just count how many are the letters inside of the set. So it will be A. Very good. Easy to catch up, class. What is a universal set? Contains all elements in one set. Yes, it contains all elements in one set. How about subset? Every element in A is also element in B. So our null set is, what is null set? There are no elements contained.
Yes.
So our last is cardinality of set is the total of in the set. So the next is, our next topic for is union of sets, intersection of sets, and difference of two sets. Does someone can give me an opinion about this topic? So none.
There's no.
So let's proceed. These are the following questions to answer. Okay, so I'm gonna pick some randomly cards. What animals can live on a land? Yes, Nurfati.
Dog and
Mom, cat, fish, and milky fish.
On land,
Dog,
on
cat, dog.
Cat and dog. So yes, very good. Those are dog and cow.
Dog.
We have no cat. Catfish only. So what animals can live in water? Ma'am Shanali?
Fish and milkfish.
Yes, very well. The catfish and milkfish. Last is what animals can live both in land and water?
Mom.
Ma'am Faira.
frog and turtle po.
Frog and turtle. Yes, good. Frog and turtle. Let's connect these examples to our next topic to discuss. Can we continue, class?
Yes.
Let's tackle about the operations of sets. So, for union, we use this symbol, U. Di ba kanina sa universal set is U din. So, they are connected, union and universal. The definition of union is the set containing all elements is that are in or in B. So, the intersection, the set that consists of all elements that are both in A and B. So, we use symbol for intersection is reverse U. Difference is a set of elements in that are not in B. Is that in A that are not in B. So we use that, the negative sign. So next. The unions of sets A written as, again, A, U, B, the set of elements that are members of A or members of B or members of both A and B. So we use this U. Hindi yan siya U guys, kundi union. So examples are like this. If A is equals to the set of 1, 2, 3 and B is the set of 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, then it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, there are no repetitives allowed in a set. So if we put that in A set, so it will be, in set A, what are the elements? 1, 2, and 3. Tapos, in B is 1, 2,
4, 5,
4, 5, 6. What are the common elements in here?
1 and 2, ma'am.
1 and 2. So we will delete this. 1 and 2. Let's put it on the middle since they have the common characteristics. In this middle, we will put only the common and the both sides are not in common. So, okay class, did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's have another example. So A is equals to A, B, C, D, E. Tapos B is I. B is A, E, I, O, U. Ma'am Shanley, can you put all the elements in A?
Tuesday, Monday.
Risa, can you please put all the elements in B?
Sama.
Okay. We have common elements, right? Which is A, E, A and E lang, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will delete this A and E, A and E. So in a set, we will express this as again A union of B is equals to A, B, C, D, E, I, O, U. Then close. Is that right, class?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. So, from the word, let's move on intersection of sets. Intersection of sets is the intersection of two sets A and B written as A, baliktad tayo, B is the set of all elements common to both sets A and B. In simplification, kung anong meron si A, na meron din si B. So, yun yung kukunin natin in one set. So, example dito sa ating Venn diagram, yung common characteristics is A and E. So, we can put that A, baliktad tayo, B is equals to the set of A and E. Since ito lang yung common characteristics ng set A at saka set B. So, the symbol of intersection of sets is reversed U. The difference, let's move on the difference of two sets. So, the difference of two sets means the difference of set A in B written as A minus B is a set of elements in A that are not in B. So, we will put the elements. So, 1, 2, 4, 6, 5, 3, 1, 2. So, anong number ang wala si B na nasa kay A?
3.
3. So, siya po yung difference ng A minus B. So, it will be A minus B equals to 3. Ganun po, guys, ha? Ganun po, class. So, for B minus A, anong meron kay B na wala kay A?
4, 5,
And 6.
4, 5, and 6. Easy, right? Just put all the elements in one. Kung anong wala kay A, then put it like this. Tapos anong meron wala kay B, put it like this.
Yes.
So, thank you for all your given interest. So let's clap ourselves. 1, 2, 3. So again, now let's take a short activity. First counts of 1 to 5. So count 1,
2,
3,
4,
5. Okay. So group 1 will be on the left side. Group 2 will be left front side. Then group 3 on the right back side. The group 4 on the left back side. And group 5 will be maintained on the middle. Divide yourselves into 5 groups. So we are playing guess what's in the box. So good. This will be fun. So wait. I will be having her. First of all, instructions. Just pick something in here in my hands that are different and other like a question for you to answer. Then you will pick a task to do. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
However, to win this game, who gets the answer correctly, then they will be the winners. I will validate your answer if it is correct. I have the mini games to answer here in my hands. So I will just shuffle this. So shall we start the game?
Yes.
So there are different 5 activities to pick. So group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5. Okay.
Bingo.
So I will give you 10 minutes to finish the activity. Okay? So all are done. So please pass your activities. Thank you. Please. Thank you. How was it?
That's exciting, Mom.
Okay, good. Do you have so much fun?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, which are very good. Compliment for me that you are interested and learning from our topic. Okay, we will wrap this up, but few turn backs so I can assure that you did get it. So class, let's summarize what we have learned for today. What is sets?
Ma'am,
No, all students must be answering.
okay. It is the group that is referred to as sets. Set can be thought of as grouping of objects.
So how about subsets?
Every element in A is also an element in B.
What do we call the insides of the set?
The objects or elements.
What is this called of? This one.
Bracket.
That is braces.
Braces.
Braces. How about this one? How about this one? These 3 little dots.
Ellipses.
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 What is the difference between the well-defined sets and not well-defined sets?
Group or collection
Of objects that share common characteristics.
But the not well-defined set is just the opposite of what the well-defined is. So what are the 4 fundamental operations in sets? Number 1.
Universal sets, subsets,
Number 3.
null set,
Number
and
4.
cardinal of sets.
If we talk about universal set, what is it?
Contains all objects under consideration.
What is subset?
Every element in A is also an element of B.
What is null set?
A set with no element.
And what is cardinality of sets?
The total number of elements in a set.
What is it called if the elements are in the set A and are in the set B too?
Intersection of sets.
Okay, intersection of sets. How about union of sets? And what do we have? We use symbol?
It is the set
containing all elements
that are in A or in B.
We use the symbol U, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So how about intersection of set? And what do we use symbol?
The set that consists of all elements that are both A and B.
So we use the symbol reverse U. So the difference of two sets and what do we use symbol?
Is a
Is a
set
set of elements in A that are not in B.
So we use A minus B. Okay, very fast. Is it all clear?
All clear and out, ma'am.
Again, is it all clear?
All clear in and out, ma'am.
Good. Get one full sheet of paper to answer this short assessment. I will be distributing the copy of your assessment.
Hello, birth certificate.
So, I will read the instruction for you. For the A, state whether each of the following set is well-defined or not. Write your answer in the space provided on the side. For the B, match the description in column A, word or words being described in column B. Write the letter of your answer in the space provided. For the C, part 1, find the cardinality of the following sets. For the part 2, to sum it up, let us complete the statements. Choose your answer from the box that completes the statement below. The last part is perform the following operations on set. I will be giving you 10 minutes to answer, then I will be getting your paper. Okay? So, unfinished or finished, raise your pens. Give me your assessments. Thank you. And for your assignment, I will be giving a copy. If these are only few, so the others will photocopy it, okay? I will be distributing it to Miss Shanali, Miss Narfati, Miss Riza, and Miss Pangkalan. For others, just photocopy it. So, see you on next
Meeting.
Thursday. So, thank you, class.
Thank
you,
and goodbye, Ma'am Bernice.
Thank you, goodbye.
Goodbye, ma'am.